Nectar for Minds.
Hi kids! Today, we're going to learn all about cows. Do you see the cow over there? Let's go and know more about them. Cows are big animals with 4 legs, a long tail, and 2 ears. Can you see the black and white spots on this cow? Some cows are all brown or even all black. Can you moo like a cow? Let's try it together. Cows love to eat grass. They spend most of their day munching on yummy green grass. Did you know cows have 4 stomachs? That's because they need to digest all that grass properly. Cows give us milk. Have you ever had a glass of milk? It's fresh from cows just like this one. Milk is used to make all sorts of tasty things like cheese, butter, and ice cream. Which one is your favorite? That's all about cows today. We hope you had fun learning with us. Don't forget to come back and meet more farm animals next time.